Good morning.
Good morning.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello and welcome back to my another video. It's me Tamim. Right now I am basking under the sun. As you can see, the sun temperature is very high, and you can also see beside me he is my nephew. Now we are going to ask some question. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name, please?
My name is Muhammad Ali.
Oh, that's good. Where do you live?
I live in Sylhet.
Great. Are you a student?
I am a student.
What class do you read in?
I live in class 2.
Wow. What is the name of your school?
Sunampur Primary School.
Good. What's your father name?
My father name is Amjari.
What does your father do?
My father is a Jawulda.
What's your mother name?
My mother name is Shiva Begum.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a homemaker.
Okay. This is all for time being. See you in the next video. Bye bye.